Hi everyone, how are you doing? Thank you for taking your time to watch what I'm about to share today. Right now, at this moment, I'm trying to extract the right animation sequence. And I found 4 frames for my jump sequence. So it looks like this, from 0 to 3. Now there is one thing that could have been done better with GoDot, and that is if I want to remove the rest of the characters that are created for another sequence, then watch what happens if I try to delete it. It moves to the first frame, so it doesn't remember the cursor. The cursor resets itself to the first frame. So then I have to go back and delete. And that is a little bit tedious, and I'm gonna share with you how to solve that. And it is very easy. So what you simply do is you select the frame after the end frame, and you insert a frame to the left before, and this will set the cursor to this frame. Now all you got to do now is delete, and it will stick to that frame. Now let's say you want to remove that cursor position and set it to the first one. What you do is you simply select the first frame and then insert before, and now you can start to delete. It will set the cursor to the first. So that is pretty much what you do, and it saves me a little bit of time when I try to assign a sequence to the different animation names. Right, thank you for watching. If you like this video, then click the like button. And if you want more videos like this, then why not subscribe? You can also click the bell notification to get notified when I release new videos. Have an awesome day, take care, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.